Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to edit this landing page and I will try to make this landing page look like this one. So as you can see, this is a beautiful landing page of my previous client, and he told me that I have to make this landing page look like this one here. So let's get started, and I hope you will enjoy that and you will learn something from here. So as you can see, I have took a image element from here, but it's not a image element, probably that's a background. So for doing this, we have to take a hue section here, and we have to edit the section and go to the styles, say let's say background a classic, and choose the image. I had the image chosen from here. This is the image, and for making it like this, we have to of course say center, attachment, say scroll. So scroll are fixed, so it will be fixed, and repeat, say no repeat, and of course make the sizes cover, it will cover the whole area. So now I can easily delete this section. And so for starting, as you can see, we have the logo and some social media buttons here. So for doing this, we have to just take a inner section, and we have to take a image here for the logo. So let's choose the image for the logo. This is the logo I have. Okay, nice. And make it left, and here we have to say social icons. Nice, WordPress has social icons on it, and make them right. So they are right, and we can design the social icons like this one, but it's looking better than this one. So I am not going to change them, but I am going to reduce the sizes of them. Let's say their sizes are, I think 16 will be good. 70, 80, 90, yeah, 90 is good now. And here we can set the icons, but I don't have the I didn't have received the links of the social media so from my clients. So let's keep it like this, and this is the logo. I can keep it 50% width, so this is looking good now. Or let's keep it 40, 45 is good. So now this was pretty what to say, this was there is a background overlay, as you can see in front of the image. So for doing this, I can also say background overlay here, choose a color. Of course, this will be a black color. That's a black color. Choose it again, and let's say the opacity will be like this. Now this is looking beautiful. So this is the title, and uh, for instead of the title, we have the whole section here. As you can see, we have the whole section here. So let's copy this one, and uh, okay, we can choose a text editor here, and copy this one. No, we cannot. Yeah, now we can do this. So yeah, we can change the color. We can change the color for here also, and now we can change this. Wow. So for the spacing, let's say like 15 pixels up and down. And my client said to me that the uh, uh, time should be visible, more visible. So let's do it like this, copy, and okay, I have to paste it again here. Okay, it's not going down, so what I have to do, I have to just duplicate it. After duplicating it, I will delete this one. I'll delete this one and copy this and paste it here. Okay, now this is looking much better, and we can say the color white. And if you are wondering how I did this red, I just did this from here as a custom CSS. Okay, let's keep it back again, copy this and paste this one here, and we can say like here and white. So wow, this is looking good now. This is looking much better now. So let's delete this guy from here, and the thing is we have to make it black again, make it black again, and keep the background white. So let's make the background where it is here, and keep the background white, but still it is not white because I have also the title background red. So let's make it white. Now this is what I wanted, and my client said to me that the fonts should be like this one. So for detecting the font, I don't know which font is this, so for doing this, let's inspect it, copy, and let's say wow, Fira Sans, my favorite sans serif or Fira Sans, this is. So for doing this we can say like here Fira, I'm sorry, Fira Sans. I don't know which one I made. Okay, this one I made, and copy and paste style, paste style. So this is also Fira Sans now, and this guy should be Sans Fira Sans. You are also Fira Sans here, better than the Roboter because this is a really cute font. This is really cute font. Fira Sans. Okay, let's say this one. Let's say this one like again Fira Sans. There will be also Fira Sans. You have to make sure that your all the text on your page is with same font. You can try. If you don't do this, the page will not look good. Fira Sans. Okay, and if you wonder how I did this, I took three columns and put at one of the elements here. So I'm clever in this case. Sounds. Now we can do copy and paste style. So you will see this is also Sounds, right? And he also told me to delete the logo from here. The times can be like, okay, I understand this now. Copy this one and paste, copy, paste style. Looks best, much better now, right? And the theme launch included will be at the middle as he told me to do. Okay, so now we have to delete this one from here and create a button here finally. So let's delete this one and also delete this one. So this is absolutely free as you can see, and create a button from here. Button, let's say the button is not looking so good, so I am choosing warning button from here, or no, I will choose danger because we need red button. And the button text will be here. I have the text already. Book your ticket now at 2:49 and make it center. Make sure it saves 25. Let's go 25.6, 25.7. Okay, now it's good now. So you can choose the link here, and let's say typography will be Sounds, of course. Sounds. And the text shadow, no text shadow, we don't need any shadow, and text color will be white. Text color will be white, and background type, background color will be red, full red, full red. And for choosing the perfect red color, we will use this tool here, and we'll choose the red color from our client's logo. So for doing this, pick color, hover on here, copy this, and we can choose the color here. Wow, that's good now. So the button is not looking good for the padding. If we increase the padding from each sides, and we can increase decrease from the bottom and the top, let's say 20 and 20. Okay, now this is looking good. And for the border radius, let's say like 7 pixels. If I view as this, wow, looking good now. That's looking good now. All right, we can even make the logo little smaller. 40, yeah, now looking good. So this is fine, this is fine, these all are fine. And just update it. After updating it, we can preview it from here. Preview changes.
Hello, I'm Coach Larry Kozak from the Mike
Hello,
Ferry
I'm Coach
Organization.
Larry Kozak from the Mike Ferry
Okay,
Organization.
this is the video of my client. This is the introduction, and this is the final. So final look at this. Not the same like this, cause we don't have the content, same content like this, but this is a event. What this is called? Real estate event meeting. So he needed a landing page for his orders and tickets. Here the customers can book a ticket. Okay, so that's it. I have designed the page in 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. That was a Elementor tutorial, a full Elementor page, landing page. So this was a $15 order, and by the building this